folks, how do you do? Garfield here to entertain you. Thank you for that large round of indifference. Ladies and gentlemen, on the drums tonight, an old and dear friend of mine, Mr. Skins. I know you're out there. I can hear you breathing. 2, 3, 4. Impressions. Cat on a hot tin roof. Ooh. Thank you, Mom. Okay. I know a dog who was so ugly cars chased him. Okay, no more dog jokes. This cat is walking down the street when a big surly dog jumps out of the alley, grabs the cat, and throws him against the wall. He picks the cat up and says, "Your money or your 9 lives?" Your money or your 9 lives. Nice touch. I can see I gotta warm things up here. All your mothers wear army boots. More like it. Now that I have your attention, I'd like to move right to the big production number. Mr. Skins, if you please.
They love us, they love us, they just can't get enough of us. All you gotta do is look in their eyes, you can see they idolize us. They're smitten, they love this pup and this kitten. Up to now it was hit and miss, I never thought it could be like this. But now we're the top of the heap, they love us so darn much, they just can't sleep. Yeah.
I love show business. It's in my blood, in my ears, between my toes, up my nose.